So where are you going?
Hello guys, this is the end of my holiday in the Philippines. I'm
Going home.
going back to UK.
Okay.
I'm living on a jet plane. Oh, on the other, how many years na naman pauli ko? So I see you again guys.
Next
And
year.
thank you to Hazel, my beautiful daughter, and Brian, and the construction he managed. And this is
Ayan.
his 7 projects.
7 projects.
Yeah.
And AC.
And Isibu, well done, Engineer Brian. Hinay for your 7th project done.
7 projects. And you're getting ready.
I'm getting ready
And
now.
Butski, say goodbye to Butski.
Butski, goodbye. I'm leaving on a jet plane.
And your project is a beautiful plants here.
Yeah, I hope it could grow soon.
Yeah, Mama planted lots of fruit trees here in near the Smart House, and she bought this flowers, and our cucumber is flowering na. She planted those lanzones over there. Look at that one. And she's getting ready. Here is the nanadiri mo mga kuan narao. Sa dito construction di ka mo say goodbye. Mana? Kita ka vlog. Bye-bye na. See you soon.
I love you.
I love you too. See you soon.
Thank you for looking after me.
It's our pleasure, mother. See you next year or December. Magto na mi, mag-get ready na mi. Palong ang TV dong. Palong na mo ang TV. Ayun, do. We'll close the room. This kitchen. Be sure it's all locked. And what else? The stove. And what else? So we will get ready na. Turn off the electric fan and the key.
Can I wash my hands?
Okay, you wash your hands.
Sa mataro madalang. Salamat sa ugma ug sa imong pagmahal kanamo nga walay katapusan sa pagdul kami mga pagkukulang pagkamali nga ikaw kanunay ang nasa among isipan ug sa kasing-kasing sa kanunay igabayan mo kami pinagi sa banal na Espiritu Santo. Pasaylo kami sa among mga kasalanan nga
Oh. Sama ni Sel, di mo lagi makita.
itay.
Ha? Ana
Ay,
rin.
ipakita ni mo.
Oh.
Inuman.
Kita sulod. Hello, mga ka-vloggers. Ani ano sab kami nini nga musakyanan. Mga
Larga na sa dili.
travel pod mi paingon sa airport. Maglarga na pod mi. So Sunday si Sarap Cooking. Follow for more. Follow, share and like sa among vlogs as a family vlogs. And more vlogs to come. See you soon. Madulong na mi karon sa going na kami sa airport ngayon. So ito po yung GT Northeast Academy. Papunta na kami sa Kapulay, Diluan. So see you in Mactan Airport. So we can have a last meal of Jollibee diri sa Philippines.
Yeah, dito sa airport.
Sa airport, halak ka. Excited na ka, Bo? Excited. Halak ka na. Saan man na imong face dong? Allergy lagi na dong. Katul-katul na.
Sa?
Dila, face ni mo ba? Kana, tanawa. Dila. Abang.
Sakay po ng driver.
Ano man, nakatol na. No. Hello guys, so naami diri karon. Andito kami sa Tayod Central Elementary School. So 12 o'clock karon. Consolacion, Cebu City. Traffic, napaka-traffic po. Yan o, ang mga student dyan.
Oh, dagang kaayo.
Mga estudyante
Ayos
dyan.
na.
Kumakain. Pauwi na sa bahay nila.
Busy kaayo. Ay, ang mga estudyante.
Super busy sila. Look. Traffic.
Traffic on the way to Kuan. To the airport. My flight will be 15:30, but we still got plenty of time. If you live in the city, you must have anang consideration about the traffic.
We need to
To-
consider the traffic
To drive
situation.
early as possible.
I have experience of this Philippines for years.
Bakang kay diri ka mga mangga
Wala,
ulo.
80 pesos per kilo na lang.
Mga mangga,
Barato na lang siya.
itlog.
Ito pero ihimot mango jam, no?
Unsa man siya kapulay?
Dili.
Tayod.
Tayod, Konsolasyon. Pero part niya po niya siya sa one hand. Diluan, dili na daw.
Wala ang bus.
Part na sa Konsolasyon. Tayod, Konsolasyon.
Pakulat mo. Yeah.
Napo dahil dili Rose Pharmacy. Tumaktan Bridge. Malapit na tayo sa airport. Si Mama, are you excited with your flight?
Yes, look at the view.
Beautiful view. We are in the bridge. Mactan Bridge. Mactan Bridge. Wala pa man ta sa airport. Kaya ko bigol na. Domestic, international. Na siya. Terminal. Namin dili karon. Nandito kami sa Cebu International Airport. Car park. So, papunta na po kami sa car park. And mag-check-in muna si Mama. Tapos, punta na tayo sa Jollibee, Ma? Okay. Okay, sa car park. Magpa-park na po kami. Ayan. Ang daming mga sasakyan. Dito. Pa-park na po tayo. Getting ready na for... Adi dong, ibutang ang atong water sa bag do. Put the water in the bag, please.
Sorry, I'm weak.
Sige na. Sige na, you put the water in the bag. So that when we eat at Jollibee, so we have water to drink.
I cannot hold it because I'm weaker.
Sige na.
This is
Sige na, please. Sige na, please. Tara, nag-vlog bi ako. Kung makita ka niya sa video.
makatawa.
Sige na.
Magamak ko.
Sige na.
Hindi ko makatawa kanino.
Pareho ang litag na umkit. Ay. Pareho tag na umkit. Kira mo ko. Say hi. Hi. Say hi.
Ay, mga baho dai.
Hi guys.
Ay, mga baho dai.
Dito na kami sa airport. Ayan na kami. Papunta na kami sa airport. Ayan na siya. Dali na kayo. Dito na tayo. Dali na. Come here, Dave. You close the door. Bangis si Daddy. Si Lupin na ginay mo ang dala ma. Naman dito'y kuan. Ma, nganong nagbitbit ka kang si Lupin?
Nita, there is.
Ha? Handi mo help ko, be. Ko, be. Ako'y bring sa backpack.
Nita, there is.
Tara, let's go. Grabe ang init, guys. Sobrang init. Dito. Aritin, come here, Tim. Come here, come here. Be, ako'y kuan bibit-bit sa... Kuran. Ma, say hi. Hello, we're here at the airport. Here at the airport. The airport. Nalang plane ngay mga sakyan. Wala pa na kayo mga kuan. Grabe kainit. Sulod kit. Padulong na si Mama, punta na si Mama sa ano, sa nagyatid ko nilang heater. Punta na si Mother sa mag-check-in na siya sa ano with AC's holding the kana ang ano ang Daddy Brian, and here is Kate. Ate Kate, here. Kini ma? Ano yung Kate? Ma, dito daw ta. Dili na dito? Tag?
Kani kuan ba?
Unsa?
Padlock.
Ah, padlock. Kuan pa daw, dili butangan pa daw niya og padlock. Kate, come here, Kate. Yeah, we're going to the departure area. We're here now. Dali ata. Abi na napunaman ka ako. AC. Kuyog ka rin, Mami V?
I have to bantay watch it.
T, come here, T. So ninaan ni Mama iyahang kuan, iyahang gibutangan niya padlock para safety. Ang ano niya, safety ang luggage niya, ang bagahe niya. So unsa man imuhang ika-istorya nga mauli na si Mami V? What can you say? Do you miss Mami V?
I don't know eh.
You want to go with Mami V and then meet Hachi?
Nah, well, it's I cannot accept it all because it's too now.
It's too cold. You want to go there in the UK?
I
And
need
then
to.
eat some snow.
I don't eat some snow.
Why?
It's dirty.
Dirty. But you can make halong-halo in the snow.
No.
You have to bring only ice cream there. And then glass. And then milk. And then bring some fruits. And then mix it with your favorite halo-halo.
But the dirty snow.
Dirty snow.
Dong, abis na dong, Bin.
Mama is bringing a lot of foods like chicharon and what else? Patatas, biscuits, and her neck pillow and jacket. Full pack. Mag-check-in sa si Mother Dear, then after mo go out siya para mag-ano. Okay, dili na lang niya sininaan. Na punta na si Mother sa kuan sa check-in. Check-in na siya. This is the airport. Balik pa ka? Balik pa ka? Dong, you say bye-bye to Mommy V.
Where's our last meal?
Hmm?
Is she even joking?
Sa
Sa kanang last meal ba?
last meal sa...
Jollibee.
O, gini ka nalimot do? Ate Kate is sad. Look at Ate Kate. You say bye-bye to Mommy V. Ate, you say bye-bye to Mommy V. Bye-bye, Mommy. Tapos Mommy V, oh. Bye-bye, Mommy. Bye-bye, Mommy V. Ate Kate is sad. Flying kiss. Oh, boy. She's sad. Imbis ng flying kiss na si Kate ni mo. Bali day, bali. Give that to Mommy Vicky. You give that to Mommy Vicky. Push. Hey, push. Hey, push. Push it. Good job, ate. Good job. You give that to Mommy Vicky, ha? Ma. You give that to Mommy Vicky. Go. Kuha na, Nana? Okay. Magpaabot lang minimo dire. Ha? Okay. See you. It's okay. Ano mo dong? If natay. Diri ba? If natay. Naulaw. Ang lingkod sa mi dire karon kay magpaabot mi ni Mommy Vicky nga mag-check-in. Paabot si AC sa iyahang Jollibee ni Mommy Vicky. Last Jollibee ni Mommy Vicky sa Pinas. Ano man, ganahan ka makaon. Gutom pa ka? Oh my God. Joke na to? Tinood to. Mag-wait na to Mommy Vicky. Mommy Vicky is here na. Ito namin sa kuan.
Around sa min sa
Sakay namin elevator pa ground. Kami pa down namin sa ground. And here na. So magay kay pwede pa ka nakakuha no?
Ikasabi nga. You know, ang akong pag-check-in is very smooth.
Ah.
Yeah,
Wow. Thanks God.
Walay problema. Ang ako'y excess baggage. So,
Ground.
thank
First
you Lord
ground.
Jesus. Thank you Lord.
Oh. Ayo.
Thank you Lord Jesus.
Salamat. So, buan. Alas 3 pa imong flight.
Alas 3 pa ang boarding 3:15 pero mga sabi sa Jollibee.
Ah,
Before
okay.
3:15 ang ginagawa.
Makabanding pa mi. So, makabanding pa mi karon. Okay. Isibo is excited because it's always saying, where's the last meal of Jollibee?
Yeah.
Going to Jollibee now. Are you excited?
Yes, but I have I know how to do this.
What's that?
Is that literally impossible?
I don't know. But let's go and check what kind of food we can order in Jollibee. Para ditong Sakura Capsule Hotel, oh. So, you can take a shower. May locker din sila. You can stay for 21 hours. Shower and restroom. And shower for 1 hour. Ganyan pala dito sa Mactan International Airport. We're looking for Jollibee. Yan, may duty free, may Imperial Tea, Macau Imperial Tea. And then, madaming mga ano dito, mga restaurants dito. Merong Cafe Laguna, merong Brick Lane, and may lechon. Where is lechon? May ngoyong. May bread talk. May Starbucks. Ayan ang bread talk. Punta kami sa Jollibee. See you there. Jollibee sa Mactan Airport. Ayan na. Kinila ko Sige, order. Dong. Naman to siya. Sige dong, order ka dong. Bo. Order si Mami sa Jollibee. Nakapakawash ko naman. Chicken. Feeling ni mo nga mo ko anak ka, pauli na ka. Are you excited na?
Feeling ko nga nakakapit sa Pilipinas, naliko pa doon.
Mo balik man ka diri after kuan. Manila ra gyud no?
Feeling kay
Sige lang, see you in January. January. Puhon.
December.
Oh, you're going to chicken. Hag na isibo.
saying goodbye.
Say goodbye to Mami Vicky.
Goodbye to everyone.
Dear ka Bye-bye. Allah. It's ready. Come back soon. Come back soon. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Dili na ko mohila.
Dili ako mahila.
Bye-bye, ma. See you.
Bye. Okay. Right. Taking care of our construction. Yeah. Make sure it's
Going na si Mami B inside. Likey! See you soon! Bye-bye, Mami. Bye-bye, Mommy. Mommy is heading to departure area na. Soon we will go with Mommy Vicky. Travel with Mommy Vicky soon.
When
That's our wish.
yeah.
Look at Mommy, oh. Oh, my mama is already gone.
Just like you were young. Just like you were young.
Wala na kita niya. Tara na. Tara na si Mommy. Ay, sulod na si Mommy. Tara si Mommy. Tara. Wala na. Tara. Hindi na siya makita. Si Isibo na lang ang nag-cry.
Wala akong nahila.
Si Ate Kid Food. We're going home to check if Woodski is okay and to check if the construction is going well. Okay? See you online, Mommy. We love you. Mommy Vicky is very very kind and loving, Mommy. That's why we always miss her and we always take care of her. Okay, you get inside na. Very sad. Mommy Vicky is not here. See you soon, Mommy. We love you.
See you soon on December 21.
God's will.
21.
21. God's will. She can have a Christmas with us soon. Okay?
She'll bring snow.
Yeah.
It will melt here, no?
It will melt. Become water. Home safely, and Woodski is happy with his pasalubong, a Jollibee. Are you happy, Woods? Oh, still is wiggling. Thank you, Mommy V. Have a safe flight. Bo, do you miss Mommy Vicky? Ito bang diri? Do you miss Mommy Vicky? Yeah, you smell Mommy Vicky. Oh.
What's this?
I used to smell this one when Mommy Vicky is away when I was a child. Her bulingon.
What?
You have to put this one in your pillow
Boy,
so that you will not miss Mommy Vicky.
I'm just okay, right?
Don't you
Stinks.
Okay, Roy.
That stinks. Oy, that stinks like an anger. That stinks like a chicken.
Mommy Vicky's bulingon.